cylinder. All right. Okay. Box. Oh, this is the original box. That's pretty cool. I do a lot of film photography, and I own a lot of different cameras. It's something I like to collect. And I have a lot of different cameras in a lot of different styles. I live in a city and I love to do street photography, or somewhat something like that. And I only own one rangefinder. It's a Canon QL17 Generation 3. I love it, except the light meter's broken, it's old. It really needs to be CLA'd. The lubricant inside of it is gummy. I can't focus quickly. Anyways, so I thought instead of purchasing or paying for another CLA, maybe I should just switch cameras. And that's why sitting in front of me is a Bessa R2M. Wow. This is in the original packaging. It's not new. I bought it from someone on Reddit. There's no manuals, but that's fine. So here we have the Voigtlander Bessa R2M body. It is a German branded camera, and Voigtlander is one of the oldest camera companies. It's a German company, but the body itself right here is actually a Japanese camera made by Kusina on the bottom. I'm gonna get started on the Leica system with this. That is really wild, actually. It is so bright in there. And I'll go through some features later. So, Bessa R2M body, which is titanium. And alongside of that, we have another Voigtlander product. I don't have a Leica lens yet. I haven't remortgaged my house. I rent. A Voigtlander 50mm Nocton 1.5 lens. Here's the red dot. Wow, that's got some heft to it. Oh, cool. Wow. Okay. Anyways, it's unboxed. It's going to be sitting on my desk until I can actually look at it. So here it is, the Voigtlander Bessa R2M. I'm really excited to go out and shoot this. So let me take a break. I'll come back in a few hours and we can talk more about what this camera is and what it does and how it works. Okay. So it's actually been about a week and a half since I shot that test roll. It's actually a number of rolls that I shot at that protest. But it's been about a week and a half and I'm really happy with this camera. I've put about 6 or 7 rolls through it so far, taking it all the way through Chicago, indoors, outside, high light, low light conditions. A few things that I noticed in those photos. First off is this, I want to call it halation or chromatic aberration, but some kind of red fringing on highlights. Almost what you see in Cinestill, but obviously not the same. It's Portra, it shouldn't be doing that. I'm not sure if that must be something with the lens itself that causes that abrasion. It's only in very overexposed highlights. It's something, I think it actually adds a lot to the photo itself. And the other thing is, unfortunately, a lot of the shots on the end of the main roll of portrait that I was shooting that afternoon, well, it's user error. I was trying to rewind film really fast, and the pin on the bottom that you press down to start reeling, it popped back out and actually re-engaged the take-up spool. So when I was reversing it very quickly, I pulled on the film as that take-up spool was stopped and stretched the film a bit. And you can see that in some of these photos. If you see that green vertical or horizontal banding going up and down across the film strip, that's what that was. It was caused by me pulling on the film too hard. So something to note, I've also had a hard time actually spooling film onto it. On the take-up spool, the slot to insert the film leader is it's not actually very deep. I don't think it goes all the way through, or it doesn't feel like it does. So you're kind of holding on to that last sprocket of the film and hoping that it advances. So I really do make sure that the rewind spool is actually turning when I'm advancing the film for that first couple of frames. Obviously, this is just a hobby of mine. I'm a software developer during the day. But if you like what you see, just let me know. I can keep on making these videos because I do enjoy editing videos and doing photo walks like on the end of this video. I'll definitely make a couple more of those. But yeah, please let me know if you like this video. Anyways, I'm super excited to have this camera. You're gonna see me with this camera a lot because it is just a dream to take photos on, and it is so reliable. It's only, it's less than a decade old. This film camera was probably made in the 2010s. So it's pretty incredible to shoot on compared to a lot of the more vintage equipment that has to be kind of babied and coerced into taking a photo. My AE1 program is very broken. But anyways, I'm excited to have a camera that won't fail on me halfway through a photo shoot. So you'll see me around a lot more with this. Anyways, that's it. Let me know if you like this. This was fun. All right, have a good one, guys.